Hey everybody, how you doing out there? It is Mr. Bookman, and I will be reading The Legend of Chris Moose, a Christmas story, written by Alan Northcutt and illustrated by Christine Morris. Please enjoy. Oop. Sorry about that. And I want to welcome some new subscribers here to my channel. Welcome aboard. Feel free to check out my book readings here I got on this channel, but I want to say welcome aboard. The Legends of Chris Moose, a Christmas story. The forest was quiet, but the animals were working. 'Twas the day before Christmas, and a big party was lurking. The bears had the party at their home in the snow, and the moose carried them all to the show. Chatter the squirrel was first to catch a ride with a big basket of nuts into Ugly's antlers. He got glide. Now Ugly didn't like his name. Didn't like it one bit, but when he saw his reflections, he saw how it fit. Yes, he was ugly, and his coat a bit tattered, but the animals all loved him, and that was what mattered. First, they picked up Stinky, a black and white skunk. He brought all the stockings which he kept in the trunk. Nosy the rabbit brought carrots for snacks, and a beautiful candle made of red wax. Then, wearing his mask, came Bandit the raccoon, with rings on his tail and carrying a balloon. Bringing the cheese came Squeaky the mouse. He hid it safely in the wall of his house. There was Pokey the turtle with a basket of clams and lots of good tasting jams. Old Smarty the fox brought berries to eat in a pretty red box. Oh my, what a treat! Relax yourself and eat and soothe yourself in massaging vibrations which cause from sharp ridge to revolutionary massaging heating pads. Honker the goose had a basket of corn. When they all came in sight, she honked on her horn. Then Hooty the Owl flew out of his tree and perched in the antlers of his old friend Ugly. Fortunately, you don't get a few minutes, so I wrote down
Finally, Slim the snake came out in his belly with a carton of cookies and a jar full of jelly. When they all arrived at the bear's house, Ugly knocked on the door. There was no answer, so he knocked more and more.
Chef, author, and TV host, and with over 10 years as the executive director for Martha Stewart, I've seen it all, and I promise you, you'll love like this turtle. In fact, with over 10 million sold, I know they'll be the hardest working turtles in your kitchen. My new super turtle is wider, curved.
At least appeared Mama Bear very upset. She said Papa had long overslept. The house is a mess. What can we do? Don't worry, said Chatter. We'll clean for you. But how can I help? Poor Ugly, he cried. I'm too big to fit all of me inside. With everyone's help, the house was clean as could be. But oh my goodness, Poppy Bear had forgotten the tree.
My strawberry turtle is ideal for baking. Sift together dry ingredients, mash the bananas, scrape it in, add some buttermilk, stir, and you've got homemade banana bread. And I'm looking for olives. Whisk your eggs, pour it into the pan, stir, scrape in the filling, then fold and serve. You can get your complete squirrel set today for only $19.99.
They piled up the presents with Hardy full of glee, but my oh my, we must have a tree. They thought and they thought, oh, what can we do? Then Ugly spoke up, will my antlers do? I brought no gifts, but put on my scarf. But open that window, I'll give you part of myself. They opened the window as wide as could be, so Ugly's antlers could serve as their tree.
Except for the taps, they're raising funds to help restore the building. The bill's kind of the piece of artistry here.
With popcorn and thistle and an angel of gold, Ugly became a sight of behold.
Sorry, I didn't tell you. I just found out myself this morning. It's water from the chocolate. Have a nice day. You're just doing your job, huh? I know, it's sale.
But the gifts to his friends of himself as the tree made them rethink of his own name, Ugly. They tried a lot of names, but all seemed to miss, till Smarty the Fox brought up the name Chris.
You work hard. Yeah, except now I don't roped into the scavenger hunt with Dustin, well, people think that we're going to be working together to restore the museum. All day, my behavior is just going to seem completely underhanded because I know that the restorations aren't going to make a difference.
We won't call him Ugly. Chris Moore is his name. Sounds so much like Christmas. It could be the same. When the party came alive, as they danced and they twirled, and Chris Moore became known as the most beautiful moose in the world.
Alright, guys, go get it. I'll see you down there.
Well, he made things happen, huh? That's how he became Chris Moose. He helped to become the tree for the bear family. Wasn't that cool, huh? What did you think? A cute little Christmas story, huh? Well, everybody, I hope all of you enjoyed this Christmas story, and if you did, can you give it a big thumbs up? Smash that thumbs up button. Can you do that? If you're new and you came along this book reading, can you hit that red subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel? And check out my other videos here I got plenty, so feel free to check them out. Also hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload, you will be notified. But until my next book reading, they call me Mr. Bookman. And this book reading's over. Have a good one, and happy holidays. And take care, everybody.